Man, it's raining. Frank's taking a beating. I wanted to show you my latest repair. The Del Scorcho hot sauce bag shoved in the crack of the windshield. That's how old Frank rolls. Stopped the leak though. It was leaking on the floor down there. Actually worked pretty good. You put the bag in there and then you squeeze it and it fills it full of hot sauce. Oh, another Mr. Goodtrav original. Stuff I put up with, folks. Is there anybody else out there just putting up with life? Putting up with it all? Shoving hot sauce bags in your cracks? Your sinking boats? Take care, everybody. We went from a beautiful weekend to this monsoon. Shout out to the right here. I can't even say it. Anyways, I got the hat from a friend. Minor league team. Baseball, I think. Good looking hat. Peace, YouTube.